Hello everyone, Endless here. Here's another episode of unnecessary things that I bought, and today we're going to do a speed build on this SINGAKBD Ocelot Macropad. Upon opening the packaging, you are greeted with this thank you card with the specs of the Macropad written at the back, including the screw size. Included in the packaging are these three very cute Ocelot stickers corresponding to the three colors that are available during this round 2 group buy. Here we have the PCB and also the aluminium plate. Inside this bag we have the screws for the aluminium plate, the bump-ons fit for the case, and also one extra PCB that I bought. The round 2 Ocelot Macropad comes in 3 colors. They have dark green, purple, and also the one I got here is polycarbonate. And I must say, this is like the best group buy experience I ever had. I actually received this Macropad 1 month ahead of the scheduled fulfillment time. And I think this also shows the COVID situation is getting better. Also, Elaine has been sending us multiple emails to keep us updated on the group buy stage. The case and the brass weight alone weighs around 237 grams. The Ocelot PCB is designed by Heine using Gateron hot swap socket, and it supports 3 configurations. You can either do 8 keys, 7+1 or 6+2 with 2U stabilizer, either clip-in or screw-in stabilizers. This is the included top mount aluminium plate. I'm keeping this build simple. I'm going to do a 8 keys configuration with stock SP-Star Luminous Cyber linear switches. One thing that I'm really proud of is that this Ocelot Macropad is designed by Elaine, sold by SINGAKBD here in Malaysia. And after SINGAKBD got their stock from the manufacturer, they actually did another round of QC to make sure everything works perfectly before they ship the products out. The hot swap socket is pretty tight, so you gotta make sure that everything sits flush and fits in nicely. The brass weight is held by 4 screws in each corners. They also designed additional pegs at each corner to hold the brass weight in place. The brass weight alone weighs in at 177.7 grams. To mount the PCB is pretty straightforward. You just need to align the Type-C port to the cutout and it will fall in place. Then you will need to secure the aluminium plate to the casing with the included screws. Next, we will just align the brass weight back to the case and also secure it with the screws. There's also cutout on the brass weight for the bump-on fits, which makes the installation easy with perfect alignment. The switches look so amazing in this polycarbonate casing, especially in low light condition. Look at it glow. The Macropad supports VR software and it comes with RGB underglow. You can configure different lighting effect at the software. Yeah, you wish all GMK set came in this perfect, but in reality, for most of the day, I'll be configuring this Macropad to serve as my photo and editing shortcut keys. But most importantly, this Macropad is for me to spam F5 refresh when I want to purchase limited release items. The finished build weighs at 274.5 grams. Thanks for watching, and please do support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. I'll end this video with a quick sound test. We'll see you guys around. Take care. Bye.